Welcome back, guys. Let's quickly test your knowledge with some important MCQs from the topic universe. Let's begin. Question number one. The different patterns formed by different groups of stars are called. Correct answer is option D, constellations. Question number two. Which of the following is not a constellation in the sky? Correct answer is option C, Ceres. It is a brightest star in the night sky, also called the dog star, because it is in the constellation Canis Major, located about 8.6 light years away from Earth. Question number three. A huge system of billions of stars and cloud of dust and gases is known as. Correct answer is option B, galaxy. Question number four. The study of the universe is known as. Correct answer is option C, cosmology. Question number five. Name the exoplanet which is considered as a pretty close cousin of Earth and is also known as Earth 2.0. Correct answer is option A, Kepler 452b. Question number six. Everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named. Correct answer is option D, matter. Question number seven. The nearest spiral galaxy to Milky Way is. Correct answer is option C, Andromeda Galaxy. Question number eight. How old is our universe? Correct answer is option A, 13.6 billion years. Question number nine. George Lemaitre is associated with. Correct answer is option A, the Big Bang Theory. Question number 10. What is the shape of Milky Way galaxy? Correct answer is option C, spiral. Question number 11. Which organization is responsible for naming of the constellations? Correct answer is option B, International Astronomical Union. Question number 12. How many constellations are there in the universe? Correct answer is option A, 88. There are 88 official constellations recognized by the International Astronomical Union. The largest constellation is Hydra. The smallest constellation is Crux. Question number 13. The stars are mainly made up of. Correct answer is option C, hydrogen and helium. Question number 14. Dash is not one of the basic types of galaxies. Correct answer is option A, regulars. Question number 15. The name Great Bear is a. Correct answer is option A, constellation. Great Bear is the common name of Ursa Major, one of the most famous constellations in the sky, contains the Big Dipper, Saptarishi, a well-known 7-star pattern asterism. Question number 16. Hubble's law is related to. Correct answer is option C, astronomy. Question number 17. Which is the brightest star in the sky at night? Correct answer is option B, Series A. Question number 18. The clouds of dust, hydrogen, helium, and other ionized gases occupying the space between stars is known as. Correct answer is option C, nebula. Question number 19. Which of the constellation of northern hemisphere in sky known as Great Bear? Correct answer is option A, Ursa Major. Question number 20. What is the other name for Orion constellation? Correct answer is option A, Under. Question number 21. Which of the following is another word for universe? Correct answer is option C, cosmos. Question number 22. Which scientist thought of the concept of steady state of the universe? Correct answer is option D, Fred Hoyle. Question number 23. IC 1101 is a. Correct answer is option B, galaxy. IC 1101 is a giant elliptical galaxy. It is considered one of the largest known galaxies in the sky, located about 1 billion light years away from Earth. Question number 24. How many brightest star is the constellation called the Great Bear made up of? Correct answer is option C, 7. Question number 25. Which of the following is indicated by the color of a star? Correct answer is option C, temperature. Blue has highest temperature, red has lowest temperature. Question number 26. The constellation Saptarishi is known to Westerners as the. Correct answer is option C, Big Dipper. Question number 27. If a star is bigger than Sun but not more twice as big, it will turn into a. Correct answer is option A, pulsar. Question number 28. Which of the following is our nearest known galaxy? Correct answer is option C, Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy. Question number 29. Which one of the following units is used by astronomers for measuring larger stellar and extragalactic distances? Correct answer is option D, light year. Question number 30. What is the periodicity of Halley's Comet? Correct answer is option C, 25 to 76 years. Question number 31. Which one of the following is the brightest star in the Orion constellation? Correct answer is option D, Regal. Question number 32. Which one of the following is the largest recognized constellation? Correct answer is option C, Hydra. Question number 33. Objects that shine in the sky are known as. Correct answer is option A, celestial bodies. Question number 34. Which of the following elements occurs most abundantly in our universe? Correct answer is option D. Is correct. Question and is approximately. $149.6 million kilometer. Question number 37. Which is the second most abundant element in the universe? Correct answer is option B, helium. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope you learned something new today. See you in the next video. Bye.